All right, welcome guys. Welcome to part two to setting up your Shopify store for furniture sales. As we talked about in part one, we want to get through a few steps before we get here. Right, number one was sign up for Shopify. Number two was buy or pick a free theme that they offer. Number three was buy a domain. Number four was to contact your WonderSign rep and tell them that you want to get set up with Shopify so they can connect the products with their Shopify store and they can download that pretty quick. It shouldn't take more than a few hours if done right. And then number five was pick a niche category, right? Pick one category, one vendor. Say, for example, in this example that we're going to do today would be nightstands, right? That way you can get your feet wet, you can get familiarized with the back end, the front end, the theme, and how to build it, right? You don't want to get overwhelmed. You do not want to tell WonderSign, hey, download all the catalog for X vendor because you're going to get thousands of SKUs, download it, and then you're just going to be like, what's going on? Like, what is all this? What is all this product? What is all this collections? So if you did it right, this is your back end, this is your products, and in theory, you should only have one collection and one product showing up, which would be this. So if you did it right, you should only have, this showing up. And after that, you can kind of get your feet wet. What is all this? Everything is ready. Images, description, pricing, um, everything's good. That's what I love about WonderSign. That's why I say these are the best way and the fastest way to get you going with furniture. So let's do next step would be collection. So once again, if you did this right, you should only have one collection, which would be the nightstands. Everything is ready for you right here, the collections and nightstands. And then the next question is we want our website to look like this, our front end, everything's nice and clean, everything is ready to go, user friendly. People can come here and search, browse, buy, everything. But we got to get us ready, right, from the ground up. So if you're just starting out, you're most likely going to look like this. So once you go to online store and themes, you're most likely your store is going to look something like this. This is a paid theme. This is the warehouse theme. It cost me about I think it was like $300, and this is the bare bones of it. And so we want to build this to look like this or something similar with that variation. So that's what we're going to do here, right? The first few steps would be to get us the tabs started, right? We want our tabs to show up here. So how do we do that? We're going to go back to our Shopify. We're going to get to navigation. We're going to hit the main menu. We're going to add a main menu. We're going to hit type in the exact niche category that you're selling. So in this example, nightstand. And we're going to hit nightstand and we're going to look for the collection. Again, if you did this right and you only downloaded one thing, you're only going to show up for one thing, which would be nightstands, bedrooms. All already created from WonderSign, right? And then you're going to hit save. And once you are saved, you can go back to your main store, give it like 30 seconds to load. And we'll give it a few more seconds and it's going to show up. There we go. Nightstands. And look at that. Now you have a tab to show. Now you have filters. You can filter by price. You can filter by product type. You can filter by color. You can filter by brand, dimensions, storage options, more filters. These already come pre-assembled, so it's pretty cool. It's just a matter of cleaning up. But look, we already got you halfway started, right? From literally nothing online to already something with a domain where people can come in and browse through. So now you have a tab going. Now you want to build all this stuff with your specific niche. If you want to add more categories, you can. I suggest you kind of just play with what you have for now and build it as is, right? Um, in the next couple videos that I'll make, I'll dig in a little deeper on how to build this.